Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Perplexity AI like a pro. Let's just get started. So first, what exactly is Perplexity AI? So it's basically an AI search engine and assistant combined. So you need to think of Google and ChatGPT and real-time facts all in one place. It gives clean answer with sources, so it's amazing for research, summaries, and quick learning. So using Perplexity is super simple. You can just type your question is in the search bar. But here's the trick. So the more specific you are, the better the result. So for example, I'm going to ask the Perplexity to give me 5 YouTube video ideas about fitness. So you can just hit on this button and it will give you the answers within seconds. And Perplexity will also scan the web, give you the answer, and this is my favorite part, cite the sources right below. This one. And what makes Perplexity different from Google is the follow-up feature. So you can just type another questions here as a follow-up, as you guys can see. It will continue the conversation with contacts. So for example, I'm going to just here give me example, let's say. So you don't need to retype everything, it will remember what you're talking about. And now here's where the Perplexity becomes powerful, focus modes. So in here there are search. This one in here, search, it is best for real-time info, news and research. And there's also writing. Let's just new thread in here. There's also writing. So for writing, it's great for essay, script, and also blogs. And there's also pro, it's best for advanced reasoning and also detailed answer. And academic, perfect for citations, scientific research, and also formal writing. So switching modes give you a way more accurate result depending on what you need. And another powerful feature is the co-pilot. So this is like having a personal researcher working for you. You can just ask a complex question in here, for example, and then just turn on the co-pilot. And it digs deeper, checks multiple sources, and also creates a long, organized answer. So if you're a student, content creator, or someone who researches a lot, this will save hours. You can also upload PDFs, documents, or even paste long tags in here in the text box. So Perplexity will summarize it, extract the key points, or rewrite it however you want. So that's how you can use Perplexity AI in just a few minutes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.